Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So if you saw the member update earlier today, then you were aware of a potential sell-off. It's not a major sell-off. We are still basically in the overall range. We are still currently, while I record this video, holding above the 4th of November low, which formed here at around $3,055, exactly at the top of our support box. And then after that low, obviously, if we formed only 3 waves up. So if you follow the work here on this channel and if you follow the videos, I often say people just come here, look at the chart, and then they leave again. Whereas every word is so important because it's all part of the report. You can't just watch a professional analysis and then just leave after like 30 seconds thinking you know it all, because every word is important. But what I explained in the member update earlier today was we had a 5-wave decline, guys, and a 3-wave bounce. And so this, with 5 down, 3 up, is not a great combination for the bulls. So at least another leg down was likely, even if it's just in the orange scenario in which we're tracking a larger A, B, C structure before going down lower. However, that 5-wave decline also opened the door for a 1-2 setup to the downside, and a 3rd wave down. Maybe then we get a 4 and a 5 and could come down more directly. In both of these scenarios, lower prices were expected. And at the moment, we're testing the swing lows from last week. Especially here, the Friday low is currently being tested, which formed at $3,190 on Friday the 7th. Whereas on the 4th of November, we also have a significant swing low that was tested. Well, that wasn't tested, that formed here at support, but that might be tested next. This orange scenario, I won't take it off for a while because we could still get a bounce, even if this B wave slightly overshoots to the downside. They can do that. B waves like to do that sometimes. But obviously, the lower we go from here, the more probable it is that we are actually in the 3rd wave. Either way, we only had a 3-wave bounce, and that indicated lower probably, even if it's still within the orange count. Now we've basically reached the next decision point. We've reached this micro support area. And the next support levels are 3,170. That's also roughly where the Friday low, 7th of November, is located. And then $3,055, which is the 4th of November low and Fibonacci support. And then I would pay close attention to the lower boundary line of our trend channel here that's been with us now for a while. So until we actually see a micro 5-wave move up, which indicates the beginning of an uptrend, which breaks above initial resistance, which I've highlighted here on the chart at $3,383, the pressure remains downward. Yeah, but I'm watching this area because buyers could step in here. Yeah, everybody's bearish now, so it's the opportunity for buyers to step in. Looking at the RSI, we're oversold again, even if it's just on the 1-hour time frame. The 4-hour not yet, but the 1-hour is, so we could get a small bounce. But overall, there's currently no sign the bulls are showing up, but we are in support. We basically moved from resistance, from this resistance line here in blue, back to support. So I'm watching the swing lows of last week closely for a reaction. That, however, doesn't mean bullish, because even if we bounce from here, it might just turn into a larger 3-wave move up. That's the update on Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. There are sometimes updates that are published here a little sooner than on YouTube. For example, this video was also uploaded earlier on X already. So maybe you guys view it on X actually. But yeah, check it out. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.